In the heart of Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, Gizir district stands as a glaring example of state neglect, masked under false promises of development. Though the region holds immense tourism potential, both locals and visitors continue to suffer due to inadequate infrastructure and complete government indifference. Poor roads, lack of basic amenities, and the absence of planning expose how little Islamabad values the people here. Despite local voices crying out for help, the response from authorities remains silence. What could have been a thriving tourist economy is instead trapped in a cycle of broken roads and broken promises. We have a report.
In Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, Gizer's shattered roads mirror Islamabad's shattered commitments. Tourists arrive with hope only to find dust-choked paths and half-finished construction. Promises of fast-paced development remain hollow headlines. In truth, people are denied basic access as the government continues to flaunt fabricated claims of development. This is not mismanagement, it is systematic sidelining of POGB's needs in favor of flashy optics elsewhere. Gizer's future is being stalled by the very state that claims to develop it.
इसकी कमी है इस वक्त मसाइल है इस वक्त की मतलब इस पर काम जारी है सयाहों की मुश्किलात है लेकिन चूंकि ये सारी मुश्किलात को बर्दाश्त करके ही आखिरी रुख वो कबूल करता है इसके अलावा ये है कि सयाहों के बैठने के लिए और दूसरे बचने की इसकी बहुत हद तक कमी है वो उम्मीद है कि उसका भी अगर महकमा सियाहत होते थे यहाँ पे जितने भी पिकनिक स्पॉट है वहाँ पे कुछ हट्स बनाए फैसिलिटीज दे फैमिलीज के आने के लिए सयाहों के आने के लिए वो सभी सियाहत बहुत फायदा हो.
Even the basics are missing in Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan's Gizir district. No food stalls, no shops, not even clean water for visiting tourists. People are forced to haul supplies from distant towns. This is a disgrace in a region touted as a tourist paradise. This neglect is not accidental. It reflects Pakistan's chronic disregard for POGB's development. While the state exploits the region's resources, it offers nothing in return to its people, not even the dignity of proper facilities.
यहाँ पर जो लोग सिर्फ पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं ना कोई दुकानों में फल का कोई बंदोबस्त है ना और कोई चीजें अपने साथ सब कुछ से यानी इसे लेकर आना पड़ता हमारे लोगों को चाहिए कि साथ साथ पैसे अच्छी जगहों में दरिया के किनारे और इन जगहों में खाने पीने के लिए सियाहों के लिए जो सियाहत के तरस आते हैं उनके लिए मैसर होनी चाहिए जब तक कि लोगों में ये शौक नहीं आएगा तो इस प्रोग्राम के लिए कोई नजर नहीं आता.
What is unfolding in Gizir is not an isolated failure. It is a symptom of systemic mismanagement across Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan. From crumbling infrastructure to non-existent public services, POGB has long been treated as a political trophy rather than a region in need of real governance. The neglect of Gizir's tourism potential, the exploitation of local resources, and the silence on basic civic needs all expose the truth. Islamabad has no plan for development, only control. For the people of POGB, neglect has become the norm and accountability a distant dream.